XL mga madamski. XL. XL pa 3/4. Mahaba yan, very comfy. J-Hill ang brand XL. Yes, 3/4. Yes, 3/4. Yes, 3/4. Ganda oh. Medium size, SO. Mahina siguro yung net ko. Mahina ba ang net ko? Medium size, madam. Ayan. Para siyang pastel na pink. Medium size cotton stretchable. Yes. Pink. Medium size. Yes, pink. Another pambata, Old Navy. Ay, hindi na to pwede. Ito mga madam, good as new. Mosimo. Mosimo? Ano to? Pang 8 years old? Pero hindi madam. Ano to? Kaya to ng extra small. Mosimo to ha, good as new. Extra small, madam, si Mosimo. Ganda ng quality nito. Extra small with collar. Yes, quality, extra small. Yes, quality, extra small. Pink si Ma'am She Danyos. Yes, quality, extra small. Ito ba? Yung pink. Hindi, ayan din. Ayan. Oo. Next. Uy, ang ganda nito.
I spent years inside the frame. The sweet girl everyone loved and never wanted to
Si
change.
Tima.
I'm not that girl anymore. Now I
Anong
reshape
size?
who I am. And
Double
every
XL.
version that emerges, I need hair that
Skip
shows
mo nga,
forth
Be.
and pushes me forward.
Cotton to ha. Pag di nyo kinuha to, kukunin ko to. Sarap suotin ito. Double XL. Ganda! Yes, double. Ha? Double nga eh. 4X yun, diba? Oversize. Yes, double.